Hey guys, it's Steve from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep deer out of your yard. In this video, we're going to take you through safe ways to keep deer out of your yard, so stick around for that. First, use deer repellents. You can eliminate these animals using deer repellents that taste and smell bad. Gardeners use all kinds of deer repellents in their yards, such as soap or homemade repellents like fabric softener strips, to confuse the animal's sense of smell. These are also cost-effective and safer than commercial sprays made of chemicals. Eliminate products that attract deer. Do you have fruit trees in your yard? If yes, do not delay harvesting produce since this may attract deer. These animals are more sensitive to smells than we are, so they can easily smell tasty fruits in your yard if they're there for too long. Additionally, you should consider planting plants that attract deer closer to your house, where you have a clear view. Deer often invade yards looking for food, especially during spring. When you grow plants that attract these animals closer to your home, it keeps them away since deer love intruding in hidden places. Install lights close to the yard. You can also keep deer out of your yard by installing lights close to your yard, since they don't like bright lights. Since some deer are smart, they may wait until nightfall to invade the yard. In this case, installing motion-sensitive floodlights can keep them out of your yard. Put up a tall fence. If you've not already fenced around the yard, this could be why deer keep coming back. Consider installing a fence that's around 8 or 12 feet high. Though a hungry deer may see the attractive plants in your yard, such a fence can make it hard to penetrate. Scatter human hair. Deer dislike the smell of human hair since it gives them the impression that someone is close by. Therefore, scattering your hair around the yard can keep them away. If you don't have enough hair to scatter around the yard, you can get some extra hair from a stylist or barber. So there you have it, guys. Which of these methods would you like to try? Share with us by leaving a comment and consider liking and sharing this video. Thanks for watching.